Hello everyone, welcome back to again in this video. In this video we are going to learn what is iNode exhaustion. If you don't know what is iNode, you can watch my previous video. I also explained what is iNode and what is the work of it. So in this video, for the reference of it, I will explain this in very short. It is a kind of a data structure. It stores metadata of files and one file equal to one node. As you can see here, two lines I also wrote here so that you can understand easily for the reference. So what is inode exhaustion? The actual topic. All inodes are used. All the inode that present in our computer system in Linux operating system, if that are all used, then it means it is a inode exhaustion, and disk may still have free space. It does not mean your all inodes are used. Your disk also will not have free space. Your disk can have free space, but whatever the capacity of your inodes in your Linux operating system are now full. For example, if there is a capacity of 100 inodes, then the all 100 inodes are full now. So this condition calls inode exhaustions. So there is one line more. All nodes are used, so new files can't be write even if disk space is free. Understood? So to check how to check what is the capacity, what is the size of your inode, then you need to type df-i in your terminal. So you can type like df-i. So in my computer I have the inodes I clock around this number of and 619 used. So these are for different file system, deb, run, and for different file directories. So that's how you can know what are the size of your inode for the different categories and how much they can use. For example, if there is a condition that in your computer anyhow your all inodes are full, then you can find out how many files your computer is. You can find with find slash where hyphen type f slash wc hyphen l. It will return you all the or it will return you the count of all the files in your computer system. Then find inode heavy directories. It will return this command du hyphen hyphen inodes hyphen t 2 slash where. It will return you heavy directories of the inode. Okay, now fix inode exhaustion. So you can delete the cache of your the node modules can be and the directories, or you can find those directories where the small files can present in terms of if there is an example of a small files like uh, node modules in react or node.js applications installs packages, so there can be many small files. So these kind of files directories you can find and can delete, then your inode will be free. ज़्यादा common causes क्या हो सकते हैं? Millions of small files mean uh, in your computer there are millions of files and your all inodes full, the capacity of that full. So the node modules, cache directories, docker, kubernetes logs, so these can be causes for your inode exhaustion. So this is the simple topic, and so this is all about what is inode exhaustion. Thank you for the watching.